My name is Christian Rudolph. I'm working at the TUI Group as a lead infrastructure architect. I'm responsible there for our group-wide next generation infrastructure program. TUI Group is the worldwide biggest leisure travel company, and with its own assets and aircrafts, hotels and as well cruise ships. Historically, TUI has a very distributed IT department and therefore very distributed data centers. Overall, we have 36 data centers over Europe. Due to the nature of our distributed teams, we have to think about how we reorganize ourselves, specifically when we introduce the hyperconverged solutions. We are currently in a position where we would like to reduce the touch points between the different departments. So historically we have seen a lot of back and forth between different departments in troubleshooting as well in deployment. We had a lot of lead times between the teams. So definitely one of the lessons learned we had from the past is that we have to bring it into one common team who supports the SDDC environment and also who supports hyperconvergence in this area. Due to the nature of the digital disruption in our market, which came to us across the last 3 years, where a lot of the new technology companies like Uber and Booking.com, Airbnb has disrupted our market, we had as well to reinvent ourselves a little bit more. So we had to focus from a retail-orientated organization to a digital business. And therefore we need to be much faster to deploy, for example, mobile applications and also websites across our European-wide brands. EVO SDDC is for us a good opportunity to standardize and also operate in a common way, because we get to this opportunity to really quickly deploy new systems and as well have a really efficient day 2 operation. So EVO SDDC is for us a starting point to really have a common understanding how we operate and how we deploy new systems inside our group, and also have a faster time to market for us. For us, the EVO SDDC is not only the software-defined data center, it's also about the day 2 operations. So we have the pre-integrated environment which are shipped to our data center, which is everywhere the same. We have the same firmware versions everywhere. But in this case, it's also important that we have the ongoing process which takes care about updates on the hardware level and as well on the software level, that everything is compatible and that we can operate it in a much faster way, and we don't have to waste our own time to validate all of these things. The hyperconverged solution for us is an additional opportunity to bring as well traditional workloads into new environments to reduce our total cost of ownership, and as well for new workloads to deploy which are designed really to run on these environments. But overall we see it as our new standard in the way forward to deploy our systems.